Now, for decades, fixed anchors such as bolts have helped enhance climber safety in wilderness areas. Now, a draft guidance by the Parks and Forest Service would classify fixed anchors as installations, requiring the agency to evaluate all new and existing anchors. Our Kieran Nigro has more.
They're used to safely ascend and then descend climbs, and they promote accessibility and safety.
The USDA Forest Service currently has no national level policy for recreational climbing and is proposing a directive because of concerns about climbing-related impacts to natural and cultural resources and conflicts between users. But owner of Grand Valley Climbing, Fabrizio Zangrelli, who's been climbing for almost 40 years, tells me fixed anchors have a very minimal impact on the environment.
I think the number of people that are using them and the environmental degradation that they create is virtually nothing, frankly.
Senator John Hickenlooper has continually advocated for the use of fixed anchors in wilderness areas. And on August 30th, Hickenlooper and his colleagues sent a bipartisan letter to the U.S. Secretary of Interior and the U.S. Secretary of Agriculture expressing their concern that recent National Park Service and U.S. Forest Service proposals would severely limit the use of fixed anchors for climbing in federally designated wilderness areas. And Zangrelli agrees that fixed anchors need to stay.
The last 50 years of climbing have revolved around these fixed anchors being there, and people are going to still recreate, and we need them as part of what we do.
After the Forest Service reviews the more than 9,000 public comments they received between November 2023 and January 2024, the final guidance will either be issued, amended, or will have changes made to the original directive. Kieran Nigro, KREX News.